Welcome. In this short practice, we're going to write a statement of proportionality. It is given to us triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So I'm going to write down ABC and DEF. To make the job easier, and we say A and D line up, which means angle A and angle D, they're congruent angles. And let's look at B and E, which means angle B and angle E, they're congruent. And the last one is C and F, which means angle C and angle F are congruent. The reason it works in this way is because the name, when it is given to us, the name always lists in order. What if sometimes, could there be a case the name not listed in order? Well, customary, it is always listed in order. If it's not, and also sometimes to be sure, we can always double check by reading the diagrams here. Okay, all right. So we just finished writing for angles, 3 pairs of angles. They are congruent. Now, we're going to write for the corresponding sides. Remember, similar triangles, corresponding sides are not congruent. There's a ratio. So we're going to write the ratio of the corresponding sides. And this time we're going to take 2 letters, AB and DE. We're going to write AB to DE has the same ratio as we're going to take 2 letters BC to EF. Then I'm going to take 2 letters. I'm going to take CA this direction. I'm also going to take this direction. So I'm going to write CA to FD. Of course, depends on the direction you are looking at. You're looking at it this way, or you're looking at it this way. Your name, the name that you're written, will be different from mine. But always remember, the order matters. All right, let's look at our next practice. It is given to us parallelogram WXYZ is similar to parallelogram MNOP. Remember, the name, when it is given to us, it is already listed in order. So what we can do is we're going to write down again WXYZ is similar to MNOP. Talking about congruent angles, we're going to take 1 letter at a time. And we say angle W is congruent to angle M. Okay, so we can even label here. Angle W, you're here, and angle M, you're here. And then we're going to take the next one. You are X and N. So we say angle X and angle N congruent. X, give it 2 curve, and N, give it 2 curve. All right, we can continue, right? Next one, we say Y and O. So we're going to write angle Y is congruent to angle O. Let's find angle Y, give it 3 curves here, and angle O. All right, last one, we're going to write angle Z and angle P, angle Z and angle P, congruent. So we finish writing for 4 pairs of congruent angles. Now, next one, we're going to find the corresponding sides. Remember, corresponding sides, we're talking about the proportionality. There's a ratio, same ratio from the beginning to the end. They're going to carry through. Okay, we're going to pick 2 letters, WX and MM. So we're going to write WX to MM is to which one? Let's pick another 2. We're going to say X, Y, and N-O. So X, Y, and N-O. All right, pick another 2 letters. We're going to pick Y, Z, and O-P. Let's change color. We're going to write Y, Z to O-P. Last one. And I'm going to get a different color. Erase this part. Okay. Last one, I'm going to write this direction. I'm going to write ZW to PM. That's it. Of course, you might want to say, can I say WZ to MP? Yes, remember you pick the order when your order is different from another student and the name will be different. But as long as you follow the order, you're being consistent, all is good. This is how we write a statement of proportionality. Great job. Happy learning.